All right, let's talk about Norwex's dusting mitts. I wear one on each hand. You rub them together to statically charge. You go around your entire house. You can dust your window ledges. You can dust your baseboards, around picture frames, lamp shades. If you have an air intake on the ground, you can spray a mist of water on these mitts if you would like. Just one squirt of water is what I recommend for people with IKEA wood furniture. They tend to have a bit of film on their wood, but if you just have one mitt, you could actually just rub your hand against it like this to statically charge it before you go around, and you can do literally all of the surfaces around your home. It just statically charges. If you are dusting your TVs or any electronics, make sure they've been turned off for a minimum of an hour prior to wiping them, because we don't want to get any of that static interference. The other thing that you can do with this mitt is actually make it soaking wet and wring it out, and you can do the mesh window screens in all of your home as well. So before you crank open your windows for the spring, you're going to want to make sure you get all the dust and the dirt and the soot out of your screens so that your air quality that's coming in is nice and clean. So this is a dusting mitt. I can tell you that we have had these two dusting mitts around our house for over 15 years, and they just keep on working. I have to admit the elastic band on this one is a little bit gone, but it still works. And these are also awesome for even actually leaving in your vehicle, for doing your dashboard, and for doing around your odometer. It's when you're driving on a sunny day that you see that it really could use a wipe. So these are Norwex's dusting mitts. Throw them in the washing machine and care for them like all of your Norwex's microfiber products, and you will absolutely love these for many years to come. All right, let's talk about the cleaning paste. What is not to love about this awesome product? It has 3 active ingredients: marbled flour, natural soap, and traces of coconut oil. It lasts most customers on average 7 years, and it is a chalk. And according to my teenagers, if I can get teenagers to clean, anybody can. It smells fantastic. So what do you all use this stuff for? First of all, this is going to be mentioned many times on my spring cleaning tips over the next week. If you just use an EnviroCloth, you can actually just put a little bit of this chalk onto your EnviroCloth and you can get scuff marks off your walls. I just had the courier here this morning from Staples dropping some things off, and when he left, he actually put a pen mark down the side of my door. And I know he absolutely did not do it intentionally. He didn't even notice it happened, but I saw it, and as soon as he left, these are literally you can see my cloth is still wet from doing it earlier today. Okay. So the cleaning paste is typically used with these guys here. These are the Spirit sponges. They're sold in a set of 2, and I'm gonna do a couple demos with those here today and show you how to use them. But this cleaning paste you can use with those Spirit sponges or the EnviroCloth for getting the fronts of your shoes clean again. Like, let's say if you've got Vans or Converse or Nike shoes and they're not white anymore around the trim, this is what you use to get it nice and clean. You can also use this on your stove tops and cleaning your kitchen sinks, pots and pans, and you can use this on anything that's glass or tile. So it works absolutely incredible, and if you do not already have the cleaning paste, this is a must-have item. It's definitely in Norwex's top 10, and if you do have it, I know for a fact you love it. Let's talk about Norwex's Spirit sponges. These little Spirit sponges are sold in a set of 2, and you can literally use these for everything around the house. So you can use them for hand washing your dishes, because we know that Norwex's EnviroCloths do not go in soapy water in your kitchen. So we use the Spirit sponges at our house for hand washing almost all of our dishes. This is also the product that I grind into my cleaning paste for doing my stainless steel sinks, my glass top stoves, detailing around the bathroom. This little edge is totally my friend. It's actually quite fine, and this is what I use for getting in and around my faucet for that hard water buildup. We have hard water where we live. You can also use it in your refrigerator. So when you're spring cleaning your refrigerator and you're taking everything out and you find spilt spaghetti sauce or some jam or whatever, maple syrup or soya sauce, whatever spilt in your fridge, or even the flecks off of your milk jugs, this is the product that I use for getting right in along those edges and cleaning out the bins underneath. And I do use it with Norwex's cleaning paste to get it nice and clean. So Norwex sometimes offers sales for their customers, and a sale for this month of March is actually this Chenille hand towel. So graphite is for Canada and the eggplant is for the US. And this sale is being sold with the Spear sponges. So the Spear sponges are those all-purpose scrubbies that you can use all around your kitchen. And these are sold in a set. You either get a graphite and the Spear sponges in Canada, or you can get the eggplant with the Spear sponges in the US. So why these Chenille hand towels are so awesome is, I don't know about you, but I grew up that we had one towel for hand drying dishes and we had another towel for drying our hands. So that is what these are for. And the nice thing is no one can walk off with this because it actually hooks right around your handle for either your oven or your dishwasher, and it just pulls through on the back side, so it can just nicely hang on your stove, so the dog can't take off with it, the kids can't take off with it, and if you have a helpful husband like I do, Doug would often walk off with a towel over his shoulder and there'd be no towel in the kitchen to dry our hands. So now we have the tea towels for drying our hands and the Chenille hand towels for drying our hands. And I just did a party last week and a customer who was there was so excited it was on sale because she already had one and she wanted another one. So this is a must-have item. You will absolutely love it.